How to print double-sided posters with the HP PageWide XL Pro printer series. Today, you'll learn how to print double-sided posters using the new HP PageWide XL Pro printer series. The first step is to connect both the input, Pro Stacker, and output, Pro Sheet Feeder accessories. To do that, simply attach the accessories to the hooks and position the Pro Stacker lever at the lowest position. Load the stack of cut sheets into the Pro Sheet Feeder tray by following the instructions on the front panel. Use the rear and left tray stops to improve the gripping of sheets. Provide the paper type, thickness, and number of sheets. By analyzing the test sheet, the printer captures the width and length of the sheet. This test sheet leaves the printer blank. Before replacing it on the sheet feeder tray, position the Pro Stacker stopper to make sure the sheets are correctly aligned. Once the setup's ready, prepare and send the double-sided job using your preferred printer app. In this video, we use HP SmartStream. We selected the printing quality and adjusted job layout. Also, the double-sided printing functionality is used to assign sides A and B to the job. Once the job's sent, the printer first prints all the A sides and stacks them in the Pro Stacker tray. When the stack is dry, remove it from the tray and flip it around the left short edge. Load the stack into the sheet feeder tray. Check the front panel illustration for help. If you want to check the side-to-side registration of your posters, tap Print Next Copy and evaluate the obtained result. Print the B sides. Remove the posters from the Pro Stacker. Click the Playlist tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.